Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad eggplant. First, choose about 1 pound of firm eggplants with smooth, shiny skin. Wash them thoroughly and trim off the ends. Next, cut the eggplant into uniform 1-inch cubes. To draw out bitterness and excess water, toss the cubes with 1 teaspoon of salt and let them rest for about 30 minutes. Finally, pat them completely dry with paper towels before cooking. Now let's cook our eggplant. You can roast it for a healthier option. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the dried eggplant cubes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a pinch of black pepper. Spread them evenly in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are beautifully tender and have a lovely golden brown color. The dressing is key to a delicious salad eggplant. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Add 1 finely minced garlic clove and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano for aromatic depth. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Pour this vibrant dressing over the warm, roasted eggplant in a large mixing bowl. Almost done. Gently toss the dressed eggplant to ensure every piece is coated with that wonderful flavor. Now, stir in about 1/4 of a cup of fresh chopped parsley. It adds a lovely burst of freshness. For an extra layer of flavor, you might consider adding 2 tablespoons of crumbled feta cheese. Serve this delightful salad eggplant warm or at room temperature as a fantastic side dish. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.